Teaching rescue exercise 4.1, your student will learn to handle a distressed diver showing signs of overexertion. Identifying distress signs and responding quickly is crucial in ensuring both yours and the diver's safety. We will first look at how to provide a thorough demonstration of the skill. Watch closely as we guide you through the steps to assess and assist a diver who may be experiencing physical or mental fatigue. Your ability to manage this situation calmly and effectively can make all the difference in a rescue scenario. Start by organizing your students on the control line. Ensure students and Divemaster are ready to begin. With control of the group, begin with "You watch me." Clearly assign the distress diver role. You will be the hero. Confirm the students and Divemaster are ready and begin the demonstration. Have the Divemaster begin the simulation. The first step is to assess the scene to identify the problem and make sure you can make a safe approach. Second step is to communicate with the diver. Attempt to make contact with the diver, signaling clearly. The third step is to approach the diver. Signal first that you will close the distance and swim closer to the diver. The fourth step is to make contact with the diver. Maintain control with a firm grip to prevent a rapid ascent. The fifth step is to reassure the diver. Signal you are making eye-to-eye contact. Instruct the diver to breathe calmly and slow down. Continue showing these signals, calming the diver down. You can now check if the diver is okay. Before proceeding, confirm how much air the diver has remaining. Maintaining control with the BCD, check the diver's SPG. Inform them of the remaining air supply. In this scenario, the diver has 150 bar and enough air to continue the dive. Signal you will both stay close together and continue the dive. Check they are okay and begin to swim together. After giving your students a clear and slow demonstration, it's now time for them to practice the skill. When conducting the skill, it is important for the instructor to be positioned appropriately, monitoring the entire group, ensuring safety. Frequent communication with the Divemaster and students is crucial to guide the exercise effectively and provide real-time feedback. Start by organizing your students on the control line. Ensure students and Divemaster are ready to begin. Clearly assign roles, informing the students they will be the hero, the Divemaster will be the distress diver. All the other students are waiting and watching since you want to work with only one student at a time. Instruct one of your students to come forward to practice the skill. Assign them the hero role. Position yourself between the student and the Divemaster, whilst also facing the rest of the group. You want to focus on assessing your students' ability to complete each step correctly. If your student forgets or performs a step with difficulty, stop your student and remind them of the correct technique. Remind each diver of their assigned roles and begin the skill. Step 1. Ensure the student is showing clearly their assessment of the scene before making an approach. Step 2. The student communicates with the diver. Step 3. Watch as the student approaches safely. Step 4. The student makes effective contact with the distressed diver. Step 5. The student begins to reassure the diver. On step 5, you can reposition yourself to have a clear view on the last part of the skill. Ideally, you will communicate with other students at least once during the skill practice. Watch as the student communicates air supply and signals clearly to complete the skill. After your student successfully completes the skill, provide them with positive reinforcement as well as a reminder of the proper technique. You can then finish with one more positive reinforcement. Now, in this last part of the video, we will focus on how to identify and correct the most common problems associated with this skill. Remember your position between the student and the dive master. This will allow you to quickly identify problems. If they forget the first step, immediately stop them. Remind them that scene assessment has to be done before closing the distance with the diver. Instruct them to restart the skill from the beginning. If they miss the second step, have it corrected by stopping them and reminding them to communicate with the diver. If you identify the problem in a timely manner, they can continue with the skill. Most of your students will get the third step right, closing the distance with the diver. A common mistake is for the student to overlook making a strong contact with the diver. You can remind them of the fourth step by signaling to make contact using the left hand on the diver's right shoulder strap. Sometimes the student forgets to provide reassurance to the diver using hand signals. Stop the student and correct the fifth step by showing them how to help the diver calm down. Instruct the student to complete the last part of the skill.